Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on the REALME C73. Okay, so let's begin. First we need to open up our settings, just like that. Now scroll down into the bottom, click on the system, find backup, and here we have a possibility to create a backup by Google One. But first make sure that you have some free account storage space, and also remember this account that you can see on your phone, because on that account the backup will be stored, and if you want to restore that backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup, which is that account. So now make sure that backup by Google One is enabled. Right in here, when it comes to the backup details, in here we have a list of things that will be backupped, and now simply click on this blue button, this white button, backup. Now we need to simply wait. Now under the backup word, this thin bar, as you can see, appeared, and it's starting slowly to fulfill. And when it disappears, it will mean that our backup has been successfully made, and we will also see an information on the bottom of the screen. So I'll see you once it's finished. Okay, I am back. The backup has been successfully made. You can see that icon right in here next to backup by Google sentence, and that means that our backup has been successfully made. We can also see below how long ago the last backup was made, and also the hour, and below we have the backup details. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.